What?
Riley hug.
Riley hug?
Yeah.
Wait till he comes. He's not home yet.
Like that.
Yep, he's coming. That's Zach. What?
I hug.
You want to give Rai a hug?
Yeah.
This is what they do every morning, or afternoon. Aww. Wow. What do you have?
A puppet.
It's a turkey.
And they're like my Indian hat.
I love it.
I'll be out in a second.
I love it. Riley, say hi. Rai. I'm chopped liver.
Ding dong, the bitch is dead. Ding dong, the bitch is dead.
Your sister waited all tight. I give you a hug.
Have a nice day.